Yes, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add new flight on this flight website. If you did not add any flights on this website, your client cannot book flight on the website. So before your client can book flight on this flight booking website, you first of all come to add new flight. And if you're adding the flight, make sure it is what the flight the client is going to be needing. Okay, so me, I want to add new flight now. So you click the new flight button. So airline, Turkey airline. Okay, plane number, you indicate the number there. Departure location. Okay, let's say Turkey, Istanbul. Okay, arrival location, USA. Arrival location, USA. Okay, USA, New Jersey. Okay, departure time. Then the departure time. Okay, this 20 July 2014. Okay, let's say 15 or the 15th. Okay, Monday 15th. Monday 15th. Okay, seat number 32. Okay, so the amount will be $989. Okay, $989. So after everything, you save the flights, the new flight you just created. You now save it. Flight successfully saved. You can see it. Okay, now let us go and check it. Let us look for the flight we just create. Okay, this is the flight here. You can see it. So the amount is $989. Then the seat number is 32. You can see it. So now let us go and check available flights to see if the client, we are going to visit the client view now to see if the client will see the flight we just created through the client view. Okay, now available flight, click the available flight button. Okay, let us scroll down. Wow, we have flight here. We have the flight here. You can see it. Turkish airline. You can see Istanbul airport, Istanbul, Turkey, to New Jersey, USA. You can see it. So this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. So your client will visit this link like this. Then your client will have to book. What your client will just do now is just to click book now. Then person, okay, one person, go. Then your client will have to feed the name of the person that is booking the flight. You get? So your client will just have to feed the name, phone number. Then this is just a test run example, you know. Then email. Then the passport number, you just indicate it there. Then the gender, male or female, male. Then luggage size. So which size of luggage are you going to be traveling with? Is it 1 to 5 kg or 5 to 15 kg? So you can choose it according to the size of the luggage you are going to be traveling with. So this is just a test run. Let me just choose 5 to 15 kg. Okay, then the full address, you indicate your full address. Turkey, Istanbul. So after that, you now save. It will take you to the next page, the confirmation page. It said booking confirmation. We are happy to report to you a successful booking. You have been booked on a direct flight from our website to your destination. Enclose our airline ticket for Aerofly Limited. Please check your email for attached complimentary ticket. Congratulations. This is the flight company website email. So your client can as well email them here for flight tracking number. So your client can as well track the number You can see it. Okay, track. You click the track button. When you click the flight track button, so it will take you to a page where you can track your flight. Okay, so you now indicate the flight tracking number. Okay, you can see this is the flight details here. You can see the flight details. You copy the flight tracking number, then you go to your tracking page, track airline. So you have to paste the tracking number here, then check now. So we are validating your booking details. Wow, this is awesome. Welcome Garrison Howard. You can see it. So the dollars are not paid, active but not paid. So the client have to make payment. The client have to make payment before you can approve it. So after you receive payment from your client, you can now go to the admin session and approve the flight because you have already confirmed the payment. So that is how it works. It is very simple. Don't forget, if you need this script, don't forget to contact me. If you need this website, contact me for educational purpose and for legit purpose. Stay tuned. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button for you to be seeing new videos whenever I upload.